I am now currently making my way to the Ayala Triangle Gardens, which, by the way, is just a few minutes by walking from Greenbelt Mall. As you enter the park, you are greeted by this giant arch, which also gives you a perfect opportunity to take pictures of the park and the surrounding skyline. Now, as you can see, there's quite a lot to do here, from enjoying the water fountains to taking a picnic to checking out the amazing restaurants that are built around this park. I like how this park is literally a space to chill, de-stress yourself after going through the day's activities in the city. Also, there is this little mini library full of donated books, allowing you to take a break and grab a book to read, as well as this playground themed around local Philippine animals for the little ones who want a little bit of play.